Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is substring methods in Java. Let's check it what is a substring in Java. Substring in Java is a commonly used method of java.lang.string class that is used to create smaller strings from the bigger one. As strings are immutable in Java, the original strings remains as it is actually. Okay, and the method returns always new string. So as strings are immutable in Java, we know that once we create the string objects, we cannot change or modify it. Always this substring methods returns the new string object. That is the key point. We need to remember it. Let's check the substring methods. Public string substring integer start index. Start index, like we need to specify it actually from where it we have to just fetch the the values actually the string contents. This method returns new string object containing the substring of the given string from the specified start index, which is inclusive. Okay, and the method throws an index out of bounds exception when the start index is larger than the length of the string or less than 0 actually. Okay, two things we need to remember it. Okay, one thing is start index, which is inclusive. If we just start from 0, actually string index like it starts from 0, and if you are giving like the 0 means it start from 0 actually. Okay, start printing or fetching the values. And if you are giving like an out of range actually more than string length, right, then it will give index out of bounds exception. We will see that like in the Eclipse tool. And next method is public string substring integer start index and integer index. We need to specify like both the indexes from where to where we need to fetch the string contents. And this method returns new string object containing the substring of the given string from the specified start index to end index actually. The method throws an index out of bounds exception when the start index is less than 0 or start index is greater than the end index or end index is greater than the length of the string. And one more thing we need to just keep in mind that like a start index which is inclusive and index is like exclusive actually. If you're giving from 0 to 5, starts the strings from 0 to 4 only, because start index is always like it is inclusive and end index is we need to exclusive actually. This is how like these methods behave actually. Let's check the same in Eclipse tool. For that I'm going to create new class called substring demo. Okay, right, and just let's maximize the screen and just I'm just giving string str equal to, okay, welcome to welcome to Java, right? And the first thing is let's directly print it like sys out str dot substring, right? Okay, substring the begin index we need to give it like here. Assume that like we are giving like 0 actually here. See, and just it starts from 0 and just it print entire string actually. As soon as we give like another index, we start from 10, okay, it counts from here and from 10th index onwards like it will print it. Let's check it. See, only Java it will print it actually. Okay, if we count it from here, like it will just start at count it from here and just print only Java. Okay, so and the next thing is sort str dot, okay, so substring, right, start index we need to give and end index also we need to give it. Let's check it like from 10 comma 16 actually. Okay, 15 and check it. In this case, see, only Java it is printing. For example, if you want to print it from here, right, only welcome, okay, from 0 to, let's check it like what it will print. Start index, see, only welcome. See, it exclusive, right, like we need to give like 0 to 7 to print it only welcome actually. See here 0, so 6 characters, right, and 0 to 7 we have to give it. We know that like start index is inclusive and end index is exclusive. Okay, and in real time what we can do is assume that like so sys out, okay, str dot length. Assume that we're just going to print the length of the string. Okay, and then see, like, array as a string out of bounds exception. Here we have given 15. 15 is the length, right? Okay, so let's assume that we are giving, okay, uh, so delete this one, and if we are giving, like, here some 16, right? 16 if we are giving, then, like, we will get the out of bounds exception. Let's check it. So 10. Okay, here start index, end index, right? Like 16 if we give it, we will get the, see here. So Java is printed, the first one, and then string java.lang dot string index out of bounds exception. We get it because this, see here clearly, begin is 0 and end is 16. The length is 15 actually. This is our neck. We need to just overcome, like, this end string index out of bounds exception actually. We need to give always, like, within specified range. In real time, like, what we can do is, if so string is empty, what happens? String dot is empty, is empty method is there. Okay, or blank also. Str dot is blank also. Okay, now if it is blank, then we are going to just print it string is empty. Okay, empty. Otherwise, we need to perform this logic actually. Okay, let's cut this one and paste it in else block. Okay, so let's just make the string as empty, and we will, whether we will get the, okay, string is empty. Okay, always, like, to execute this one. Actually we will do, like, so always like this actually. A string is not empty, then only we'll print this logic. Always, like, a if block, we will put it, like, the true condition, right? Okay, and you can print this one. Yeah, okay, so just format control shift F. Now let's check the output. See, your string is empty. If string is not empty, for example, welcome to Java. Okay, now this block will be executed. Okay, see this one. The first one is, like, from starting 10th index onwards, it will start print it, and this is the substring, another string method. From 0 to 15 characters, it will print it. Okay, if you want to just pull it from 0 to 10 only, then it will just, return the part of the string actually. See, welcome to, only welcome to is getting printed actually. Okay, always in real time, like, we will use this kind of conditions actually. Okay, if string which is not empty or not blank, then only we'll proceed the logic. Otherwise, like, we'll clearly mention, like, your string is empty, please provide the valid string and all. Okay, this is all about today's session. If you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. In next video, I will come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.